Hi friends! Today we are making an easy yummy key lime pie. You will need 4 ingredients for this recipe. First, preheat the oven. In a large bowl, add condensed milk and key lime juice and mix well. Then add 3 egg yolks and continue mixing until the egg yolks are fully combined. When it is done, pour the mixture into a pre-made pie crust. I am using pecan pie crust. Then bake for 20 minutes. After baking is done, cool it for 20 minutes and put in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. We are making whipped cream for our topping. In a medium bowl, put heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Use a hand mixer to whisk the heavy cream for 2 to 3 minutes until you see stiff peaks form, which means our whipped cream is ready. Use a piping bag and put the whipped cream in. Take out the pie from the refrigerator and start decorating our pie. I use a small tip to form small flowers around the edge of the pie. In the middle, I created multiple small flowers to form a large flower. If you want some color, scrape some lime zest to spread on the top. Voila! Our easy and yummy key lime pie is ready to enjoy.